Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. Today I'll be designing something a little bit different. So I'm trying to get to my YouTube channel to show you some stuff on my channel. Okay, yeah, I've uploaded some videos on my channel now, so you can do well to download PSD files. So I'll be uploading 3 videos today. I'll be uploading 3 videos today, and I'll be uploading one tomorrow. So let me start. First of all, this is a spot flyer. This is just a normal flyer, social media flyer. What you will do is create a new layer on your keyboard, 2000 by 2000 pixel. Create it, then bring in this background. This is a down the background. Bring it in, then this image was also downloaded, so you can simply work on these images to your preference. Just do what you want to do. It's very simple and straightforward. Now you can see that this image is just a normal image, but if you had this flares to it, this is a normal flare that I got online, double flare. Okay, single to double flare. Okay, let me show you how I place this. If I place this like this, now you can see it's already giving that vibe kind of. Then you now duplicate, Ctrl J, bring it behind this image, Ctrl T to transform, flip horizontal, something like this, so it will look like it's revolving around the image. You can see it's as easy as that. Then for the text, you can see this is a PNG file. This is a PNG file that I got online. This is a normal PNG file. You can get this PNG file on you can search for casino dice PNG to give you this, so you can decide to work around it. Then this is a normal Montserrat text. This is Montserrat text from Montserrat. This is normal logo that I used. Then finally, let me show you how I got this particular text. You can see, let me make this like this. You can see this is a text that has stroke, and the font is obviously Montserrat black italic. Now to show you how I got this is very simple and straightforward. You can see if I increase this fill, you can see it's giving this white. That is for the fill, but let me off the fill. So let me show you how I got it here. Text when, yeah, so you can have something like this. Okay, then you can duplicate it, Ctrl J, bring this text on top of this image. Then you can decide to add stroke. Come here, add your stroke, outside stroke. You can add white for your outside stroke. You can decide to play around and add drop shadow also. Then you can also now remove the fill entirely, so you get something like this. You can see, very simple and straightforward. Get something like this. So that was exactly how I got this particular design. So I can decide to use different colors, different stroke and everything to get my preferred choice. So you can see, if I do something like this, if I change this color to this, you can see it blends perfectly well with the background. Or something like this, it blends in perfectly well. So that was exactly how I got this particular text. So you can decide to play around it and do it and you want to do it. Then for this final text here, I used the Montserrat black italic for this, and I added stroke and drop shadow also, so you can play around and walk around it also. Then for this image, I use camera raw effect for the image. Let me show you. It's taking a while to load. Camera raw. I used contrast 64, texture 52, clarity 62. You can decide to play around it just to have your this is a tutorial for tutorial purposes, so you can play around your design. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will be dropping the free PSD in the link below. Please do it to download. Thank you.